Hey guys, it's Drell here. You might know me from my channel, Drell Jones, where I teach you how to make money with clickbait. But I just want to show you guys what's possible when you stay consistent, you invest in yourself, and you follow the right mentor, man. Those three are extremely important when you're doing anything in life, not just business, anything in life. So I've been following John Crestani for a while now, and he has taught me everything I know basically about online marketing and affiliate marketing specifically. So as you can see, I'm in my ClickBank account and I'm gonna refresh the page so you know everything is legit, so you know I'm not hiding anything. This is live right now, so as you can see, everything stayed the same, so you know everything is legit. I'm not faking any of these stats. So as you can see, over the past like 2 weeks, I've earned well over $3,000 on ClickBank. Like this week, I made 954. This one I made, oh my computer's about to die. This one I made 608. This one I made 391, 1900, and then this week right here, I'm about to get over $1,000. But it hasn't always been this way. Like I've been through the struggle myself. I'm only 19 years old. I grew up with a single mom. I didn't go to college, man. So I'm just a regular person just like you. You might be watching this video. You haven't seen results yet on ClickBank. You haven't seen results yet with affiliate marketing or making money online yet. And I just want to tell you guys to invest in yourself and follow the right mentor because a lot of YouTubers out there are not teaching the right information. And John Crestani is like one of the only few people I really follow, and I actually took his training myself, and that's how I'm able to produce the results that I'm making now. But I just want to show you guys last year real quick so you know that I've been through the struggle myself. This wasn't an overnight success, man. I promise you it wasn't. It took me over a year to get to this point, and what I learned was like the training will shortcut your success tremendously, man. So like as you can see, last year I only made $103, 53, 94, 33 for the whole week. So I've been through the struggle myself. And before this, it took me a year to even get my first sell on ClickBank. So it took me a lot of trial and error. And you got to invest in yourself and follow the right mentor, man. Because I was just following everyone, trying out everything. And a lot of the methods did not work for me. So that's extremely important. And another thing, man, you got to stay consistent and stay patient because I know a lot of you guys out there haven't seen results yet. And everyone around you doesn't believe in you because you have no proof yet. So it's hard for you to explain to them what you're trying to do and you want to be an entrepreneur, but you have no proof yet. So I just want to tell you guys to stay patient because, like I said, it took me a year to get my first sale on ClickBank, and it took me 8 months after that to get my first $1,000 week. So, but now they believe in me now. So you just got to stay patient and believe in yourself, follow the right mentor, and you can do it, man. Stay patient, stay hungry, and keep working.